We are at Micro Center. Kate is about to turn 11, and we're shopping with Joe for computer parts to build a gaming computer. Woo! All right, we're leaving Micro Center. Kate has all the components she needs to build her first gaming computer. You excited?
Yes.
How you feeling?
Super excited.
It's gonna be so freaking cool.
Yeah.
What's your question?
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you.
Oh, let's go. We are home with all of Kate's gaming components, and it's time to start putting this beast together.
I don't cover that I die for you.
Is that how you do it? We're gonna do a time-lapse computer build of Kate's first gaming computer. Joe's helping with the build here, and go.
You are not a friend of me. No. Baby, you mean more to me. More to me. You are not a friend of me. No. Baby, you mean more to me.
We're back to live video. So no, there's no setup, there's no plan, we have no idea. What's up, Pete? Hi. What's up? What's happening? Alright. I don't know, Kate, what's the plan?
Let me please you right tonight.
The blue desk in there?
Alright, dining room.
Holy crap, that's gonna go, ooh. You're gonna wanna not touch that, like so shiny. You want the blue desk in your bedroom? To start with. How the hell are we gonna do that? The moment of truth? There she is! Kate, move your beer.
You ready?
You have the TV on?
TV on? Turn TV on first.
Let's do it.
Got the internet plugged in. Got it on the right HDMI.
Let's see what we got. AV, so you need it on what, HDMI 1, 2?
Well, the computer's not on, so
Oh.
so hit power.
You are not a friend of me. No.
Now go down.
Baby, you mean more to me. More to me. You are not a friend of me.
Oh, there was Windows.
More to me.
Oh yeah.
You are not a
Thanks, Joe. You love it?
more to me. More to me.
Uh,